Somewhere along the way, joint replacement became a rite of passage, like gray hair or your first pair of reading glasses. But when did surgery become a badge of honor instead of a last resort? Every year, over 1 million people line up for implants, many of which could have been delayed or avoided entirely with precision regenerative treatments, using your own biology to improve strength and motion. The real milestone isn't a prosthesis. It's preserving the body that got you here. Before you schedule that surgery, find out what your body is still capable of. Protect your investment in your health. Schedule a regenerative consultation today